got cut off there. So part two. Yeah, so we've wanted as humans to invite a better world, and even though you may disagree with me and think, well, no, some people are just bad. There's whatever you want to call it, light, darkness, evil, goodness. We are, with our ability to be more light, we naturally will shine on the darkness, but the darkness needs to be exposed. So what's happening now, of course, is we've got exposure to things that have been going on in our world that are very dark, and maybe we can call it evil or bad. And I don't want to list all of those things, but you know what I think. I think you know what I'm talking about. And some at a basic level, it's the financial system. It's inequality with how we treat people in different countries. You know, we've got so much poverty in the world, and we've got so much wealth as well, and the inequality and the terrible disparity between the distribution of that. We shouldn't have anybody suffering. We shouldn't have anybody starving. So what we're having now is a big shake-up of all of that, and it's going to be uncomfortable. And some people will not be able to see that bigger picture and maybe think it's all a bit of nonsense. But I really feel that we're in the most extraordinary time, and inviting you to really stand up now and really encourage you to just be more of yourself. That might not please everybody, but aren't you a bit fed up of just carrying this weight of something you picked up from childhood that says you must be this and you must say that, you must be nice all the time and you must be a good person, and don't say this because that'll upset somebody. I'm not encouraging anyone to be aggressive with anybody else and just stand their ground without considering others. But what I am encouraging you to do is just feel that intuitive spark within you that wants to express itself, and just say, actually, that's not for me, or actually, I'd rather not do that, or actually, I've decided to take this path now. And for some of you, it might be really, really confrontational. It might be meaning for you that you have to end a relationship, an intimate relationship, or even have a very challenging conversation with a family member or a friend. It might be simply that you start changing the clothes that you're wearing. I'm 54 on Thursday. I'm starting to go grey, but I put a bit of henna in my hair the other day. I thought, you know what, I'm not quite ready. So we oscillate, don't we, with, oh, what shall I do, what shall I do? And it's about people pleasing, because we all want to feel accepted. Nobody wants to feel judged. But each time you do something for somebody else that's not in alignment with what you really want, you're chipping away a little bit of who you truly are. So to be more yourself, I really encourage that. And if you're struggling doing that, then of course reach out to me if you'd like me to support you in that. I love to coach people powerfully using the techniques I've got, tapping and tuning forks, and just life coaching, really. I also have my tapping tribe group every Thursday at 4:30 Sydney time, and that's a lovely group to just shed the negative emotions that hold you back from being yourself. So there we go, that's a little share from me today. I just also had a really lovely session with a dear friend of mine, Elizabeth, who's an extraordinary light worker, and she was reminding me of the importance of letting go of stress. And sometimes it could be much easier than what you say to yourself. Oh, I've got to spend an hour meditating. I've got to go and find a quiet space to be able to let go of my stress. I've got to go and have a natural healing session with somebody. Maybe that's true to some extent, but the day-to-day letting go of your stress can be so much more simple than you think. I have my 1 minute 5 times a day meditation that you can check out. I'll put the link below. But what Elizabeth and I were talking about today was it can be really simple. It's just literally maybe placing your hand on your heart and just consciously breathing and letting go. and feeling the stillness within, being at home to yourself. And just doing that as many times as you can in the day. And I'm practicing myself doing more of that. So if I find that I've been going and going and going, and I think my body feels a little vibratory and I've been going too fast, I just stop. Hand on my heart. Breathing in and releasing. And sometimes just doing little nice gentle baby breaths in and out. There's my little reminder. So I have a call with somebody now. I'm very honoured to be able to support people. And thank you for listening. Please remember to like and share. The more people are able to access my videos, the more likes I am able to get. And please leave your comments. What have you learned? Where are you at right now? Take care. You can find all details about how to contact me below, and have a wonderful day.